Hey Bilaras, welcome back to your favorite corner for natural skincare that actually works. If you've got a last-minute date, a special occasion, or you're about to do a full makeup look, this video is for you. Because let's be honest, makeup only looks flawless when your skin underneath is smooth, nourished, and glowing. And if you've got sensitive skin, you know how hard it is to find a scrub that won't leave your face red or irritated. But today's DIY scrub is gentle, soothing, and gives you an instant glow in just 10 minutes. So if you're ready to glow up naturally and let your makeup sit like silk on your skin, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon. I post every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday with natural recipes that give real results. Let's get into it. This scrub is so simple but so effective. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of finely ground coffee. This helps exfoliate dead skin, boost circulation, and give your face that energized, plumped up look. Now, if you have sensitive skin, make sure it's fine coffee, not coarse. You want a soft buff, not a scratchy one. And if you're a coffee skincare lover like me, don't miss my full video on a coffee face mask. It's linked above and in the description. That one is more of a mask treatment, while today's recipe is your quick fix for glow and smoothness before makeup. 1 teaspoon of shredded coconut flakes, not desiccated coconut. Let me explain. Desiccated coconut is dry, tough, and way too harsh for sensitive skin. Instead, get shredded coconut flakes and grind them finely yourself in a blender or grinder. You'll end up with soft, oily flakes that are super gentle and hydrating. This makes the perfect natural alternative to sugar scrubs, which can be rough for some skin types. Finally, 1 to 2 teaspoons of plain yogurt. Yogurt is calming, hydrating, and packed with lactic acid, which gently exfoliates without irritation. It's also great for evening out your skin tone and adding that soft glow we all want before an event. Mix these 3 ingredients in a small bowl until you get a paste that's soft, creamy, and easy to spread. Start with a slightly damp, clean face. This helps the scrub absorb better and prevents any ingredients from clinging too much or irritating dry areas. Apply the scrub evenly across your face. You don't need a thick layer, just enough to coat the skin. Let it sit for 10 minutes like a mask. During this time, the yogurt and coconut hydrate your skin while the coffee starts to gently energize your complexion. After 10 minutes, use gentle circular motion to exfoliate. Don't rub hard, especially if your skin is sensitive. Just let the ingredients do the work. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry with a clean towel. Touch your skin. You'll feel it already softer, smoother, and instantly brighter. This scrub is my go-to before applying makeup for special occasions, and here's why. Your foundation glides on effortlessly, you won't see any dry patches, and your skin just glows through the makeup. Pro tip: use this 1 to 2 times a week. Don't use it right after shaving your face or doing any chemical exfoliation. Keep it gentle. And finally, you can also use this on your neck and chest if you are wearing something low cut. It gives a gorgeous even glow. And if you're someone who's always struggled to find the right scrub for sensitive skin, try this one and let me know how your skin feels afterwards. And that's it, Bilaras. A simple, gentle, effective DIY scrub that gives you instant glow, smooth skin, and the perfect prep for a flawless makeup look. even if you've got sensitive skin. Try it before your next special event or even just a night out where you want to feel confident and radiant. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this one soon, or if you want more pre-makeup skincare tips. I'll see you in the next one. Stay glowing. Bye.